Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you do not want other players or friends to join you in Roblox games, you can turn off the join option from your privacy settings. Open Roblox and tap on the bottom right corner to open the menu. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Next, tap on Visibility and Private Servers. Here, tap on Visibility. Set your online status to no one if you want to completely stop joins. If you want limited privacy, you can also select options like connections, followers, or people you follow, but for full privacy, choose no one. Now turn off Show Current Experience so others cannot see which game you are playing. Scroll down and toggle off Share Activity Updates. This prevents Roblox from notifying others when you go online or join a game. Once these settings are turned off, no one will be able to join you through your profile. Turning off joins is useful when you want to play alone, avoid interruptions, or maintain privacy. Many players face unwanted joins without realizing their visibility settings are open. You can always turn joins back on later by changing these options again. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox privacy fixes and tips.